It's been a year since the last time we had a conversation. Ang dami nang nangyari sa buhay nating dalawa.
Sobra.
Nasa kabilang wall pa tayo.
Oh, yes.
And I always keep in my heart yung conversation natin because we talked about intention, energy, healing.
Pre-pandemic, hindi pa kasi natin napapansin yung mga kailangan nating pagtuunan ng pansin. But now, after that has happened and all of that, ang daming mental health issues that came up to the surface, and we just need to hold ourselves gently through this process.
Even yung personal nating mga pinagdadaanan, mas na-heighten, mas lumabas, di ba?
Totoo.
Kasi di ba, you're also an advocate for mental health. You speak about it so openly, even in your
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yeah, because we
The
need to
stories you share.
Yeah, we need to talk about it openly. We need to shed light on it because mental health is just the same as physical health.